Here we go again. After hours, Sears Holdings. Take a look, folks. Once again, MMTs, we're hot on all of these shorts that are missing. Not only are we hot on it, here's SHLD. Sears Holdings. Yeah, you know what happened to J.C. Penney's and a lot of these retail stocks. It's okay. Just take a look here. 42.57. I'm printing $37 right now. That means that the fundamentals have done what? Gone down. And you can see that big 3 minute bar. Kaboom! Okay? And tomorrow morning's trade is that when these things roll up, and we showed a number of them. We showed Bed Bath and Beyond. There it is. Down big, $9 and some change. Another one that we have showing big is the fact that the FIVE that we covered in the retail is down big. There is a positive story over here on Abercrombie and Fitch with a huge gap. So you buy the winners and you sell short the dogs. That's called what? A pair trade. We will teach you how to do that. One of the most important things to understand it is that they've provided some outlook moving forward. And they have a whole bunch of stuff. Total domestic compared store sales for the quarter to date, period, declined 7.4%. And Sears Holdings. Now remember what happened to Penny's. We all know, but here's the most important thing. That number right there is a negative, and very much so it is a negative. One of the other things is that we're going to take a look at the various different things that they do, and we will go over that later. They're evaluating and how to separate both our lands in business and Sears Auto Centers. Okay, they have a number of them. And Sears is a big bellwether for many, many years. However, the CEO has yet to perform. And because of that, there's still going to be a lot of selling in this name. And another thing I'm going to show people is that daily chart. That was a 3 minute. And I'm going to show you that this stock is right here, or was. And this is what the daily chart looks like right here. So let it be known that this is that support level down here. And that support level, we're printing 36.85 right now. Okay? So we're going to draw a trend line. And we're going to go back in time a little bit here. Look at this stock back in 2012 had a lot of problems. Their problems are much worse than what we know today. And from a fundamental standpoint. Now, I'm just drawing some trend lines right over here. And this is $36. Now, let it be known that that was a 2012 lows right over here. We are going to gap down here. Now, way down here is 29. Here's a pit stop. So, what used to be major support over here, and how it had that big run right here. And then this was another disappointment right here. Let's take a look at where, they had their last, it's really something. We gap down. Then this stock is volatile. It always has been and it always will be. However, we can clearly see that when we drew that trend line, that's this lower trend line down here. So when we open up in the morning, what's going to end up happening is that we're going to break and gap below this area, and this lower trend line in the morning will act as support. Now, remember, defining that is going to be our key role, and we're happy to do that. One of the things that we're going to say to you is that we care about you so that you can learn how to trade after hours. Most importantly, go to the trading tab. Click on the free trial tab. Take 5 days to spend with us. And you will get to go with us in the morning opening bell to the close. 5 days in a row. You'll get to watch us. You'll get to see what our market makers does. Just click get started today. Okay? Go up here. Go to open an account tab. When you go to open an account tab, now, my friends, you deserve to be in the next bull market. You do. And it's time for you to get back in these markets. Click on open an account, get started today, read the content, pattern day trading rule. We know what that is. It's a severe handicap to people. Why? Because you can only do 3 intraday trades, and if you do, you're restricted to cash. However, we're not retail people at all. You're going to get capital to trade with right here. Yes, take the 5 day trial. All your questions is going to be answered. And also make sure that you watch the pattern day trading rule that 90% of you have. You're handicapped. But you can put all of the negatives behind you and take the time to do what? To treat yourself good. That's why we're here. And here's a lot of live videos and trades that we did the other day on Bed Bath & Beyond. There are some good pockets of news. However, I will say that Sears Holdings, any move up in the morning is a short and make lots of money within the lower lows and the lower high dollar price ranges. That goes for all of them. Get involved today.